Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is about the right way to give your retirement accounts to charity after you've passed away. But before we jump into that topic, if you have any questions about this topic or any other topic in estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free phone strategy session with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com, or above or below is a direct link to my email, to my schedule. You can pick your date and time and schedule right there. So the right way to give your retirement accounts to charity after you've died. So there really is. So what got me talking about this is actually a financial planner that I work with. He does give me referrals and we tend to work together. Called me up this week and said, "Dave, I got this issue. This person passed. We're kind of in a situation here. So we kind of want to do a couple things." And I was like, okay, look, what happened? Long and the short of it, it became a nightmare for the financial planner and the retirement accounts. But there are three ways that you could do this. The first way is you can gift everything in your will to the charity or charities. Now, there are some downsides to this, of course. So when you set up your retirement accounts, like your IRAs and everything, you usually get to put that money in untaxed. And the only way you get taxed on that money is when you withdraw the money. When you give these assets to charity, usually what's going to happen is it's going to be your executor's job to liquidate all the assets, all the property in your estate to gift to the charity. So you're going to get hit with income tax on those accounts for withdrawing it. There's a possibility, depending on the size of your estate, that you could get hit with the estate tax. But if the charity qualifies, they would be exempt from the inheritance tax. So there is that caveat. It is a way to do it, but you will potentially run into a lot of having to pay Uncle Sam a lot more than you really want to. So there's two other ways to do it. One of the two ways, it depends on your situation. The other way is the way that I would do things. But again, everybody's situation is a little different. So make sure you speak to your estate planning attorney for your specific situation. So one way is designating the charity as the beneficiary of the retirement accounts. And what you will do is you'd fill out the paperwork naming the charity. Let's just pick your favorite charity and name them the beneficiary. You're going to want to notify the charity so when you pass, they know where to go to. You're also going to want to notify your financial planner or the holder of your accounts. And my recommendation as well to help expedite the process here is, and it can happen depending on the financial institution that's holding these, is you are going to want to ask the charity for a copy of their 501c3 forms that they filed with the IRS to show that they are a legitimate charity, and you will want to get the contact information and names of all the board of directors just to help expedite the process, because some financial institutions may want to vet the board of directors and the charity before releasing the money. So that's one way to do it, is just naming them as the beneficiary on the specific account. It will pass outside of the probate process. The other way to handle it is creating a trust. Now you'll have two options. You can create a revocable living trust where you still have everything. You put your assets in, you get to use them as you want, and then when you pass, you're naming the charity as the beneficiary, and everything will just pass to the beneficiary, which is the named charity, the charity that you've named. The other way to do it is creating a charitable remainder annuity trust. Those get a little bit more in depth. I have done videos on that. I do want to talk about those again. And that's another way where you will reap the benefit for up to 20 years, and then the remainder will go to the charity that you've named. But like I said, everybody's situation's a little bit different. But these are the three ways to properly do this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who may be going through one of these, maybe going through this situation, maybe does want to name a charity, please send them this video, tell them you were thinking about them. If you want to speak to me about this topic or any other topics in estate planning or probate, please contact me at njestateattorney.com, or above or below is a direct link to schedule your free phone strategy session with me. Again, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.